Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to talk about, we have actually seen in the previous video, right, how daunting it can be for a hiring team to get the right candidate for their organization. With hundreds of resumes pouring in for every job opening, it becomes increasingly difficult for the HR team to shift through all of them and identify the right fit for the organization. So we have seen a use case where the robot, along with ChatGPT's artificial intelligence capabilities, it has summarized the whole resume, and it has given the ability for and the scope for the hiring team to shortlist the resume. But here we are taking a step ahead to that, and we are asking the ChatGPT to you know give a perfect match for this particular resume, okay, for this particular job description. So let's say there are a lot of resumes coming in every day and we have a job description. The robot is going to provide both this information to the chat gpt, and where chat gpt makes a wise decision if it's a fit or not fit for that particular position. So this is a use case I'm going to drive you through in this particular video, and without any theoretical things, I'm going to show you what the robot is actually doing along with ChatGPT's intelligence. So let me go into the video, but before to that, let me share you my appropriate screen. Okay, I am sharing this. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, so this is ChatGPT. You can go into ChatGPT for chat.openai.com. So here I have just ran a few, demo checks. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to ask ChatGPT if a particular information or a resume is a match for my job description or not. Not only this, I'm going to show you, I'm going to run this particular workflow where it tells me if it's a fit, yes, if it's not a fit, no. Okay, so I'm going to show that as well. Stay tuned and we will learn more in this video. So firstly, let me quickly show you what it actually does in a chat.openai.com interface. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is, can you please help me with shortlisting, or can you please help me if resume is fit for the job description. Okay, so I have already have something in my preloaded thing. So what I'll do, I'll just copy and give. Okay, or else I have my dummy resume, right, which I have shown in my previous video. So I'll just pick it from there. So resumes, I have my resume. Okay, so I'll just copy this whole text, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste here. Okay, this is the whole resume thing. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide job description. So I just have got some job description online. I'll just take that. Okay, so this is one job description for the RPA developer. So I'm taking RPA developers job description for the resume we have selected is RPA developer, right? So it's a match, and it's also providing me the reasoning explanation why it's a match, so that it will be easy for us to have a justification, to have an evidence. Based on the job description provided, the resume appears to be a good fit for the position. So they are also giving few pointers why they have made their decision. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I will take the same thing. Okay, like I will take the same job description, but I will change the resume. Okay, so let me change the resume to, I have a resume that I got it from online, which is for the role of journalist. Okay, so this is a journalist resume. So I'm just gonna copy this whole text and ask ChatGPT to make a decision on it. So if you see, the resume does not appear to be a good fit for the position, while the resume highlights that the candidate experience in journalism and communication skills, it does not showcase any relevant experience on RPA tools. Okay, so this is not a fit. So this is what a ChatGPT provides. So the same thing I wanted to do it with UiPath, because let's say if I let me just show you one thing. What my agenda is. So here we know what is the UiPath's capabilities, right? So the UiPath instantly can read all the resumes within a second, right? We can just download from email. We know it how to do that, right? We can download from email. It can read all the resumes, and it can, send out the mails also. So it is reading the resumes, and also it is reading the job description, but it don't have the ability to make a decision based on the content. Okay, because that all the data, all the job description, all the resumes are of different structure. Okay, so it can be only logical, like it cannot make a decision based on the intelligence is not there for a UiPath robot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the help of Chat GPT, which has an artificial intelligence. Okay, so it will take the content from both resume and the job description, and it's gonna make a decision here. It's gonna decide if the resume is a fit or unfit for that particular role. Okay, so I'm gonna combine both of them. If it's a fit, I'm gonna send out an email to that particular user. Okay, I have a mail ID, right? I can send out the mail by using UiPath, because ChatGPT cannot do that thing. So I'm going to send out an email by using UiPath. Otherwise, I'm going to discard that particular mail, particular resume. Okay. So this is what we can, this use case completely together with UiPath and ChatGPT. And for reading resumes, we are using document understanding. So whole together, we are, utilizing it's a powerful duo. Okay, so by using both of this, we can leverage the automation and intelligence, artificial intelligence, to another level. Okay, so let me just show you quickly how this whole thing is working also. I'll just run the flow. So here, okay, I'm going to show you what file it is executing also. I actually showed you I have a resumes file. Okay, so first it has picked Ayush, which is a journalist. Okay, so the bot has to tell me that this is not a match, because I have given the job description of RPA developer. So match for the job, no. Okay, it's not going to send a mail. And next thing is Harika, right? So here I am having Harika Medium Venkata. So this is a match, yes. And also I will show you what is there in Monica Geller. That is also a RPA developer, but with different versatility tools. But still, the ChatGPT has to make a decision that this is an proper fit. Okay. So the bot is running, and it's gonna show the output if it's a Monica Geller's resume is a match with the given job description. It's a yes. Okay. So let me just show you what is there in Monica Geller. Okay, so if you see here, Blue Prism training and the different RPA tools, best practices, what are the skill set that the person has? They have certain degrees, RPA tools, and Blue Prism, UiPath, right? So it's a match. They are having good, capabilities on RPA. I mean, like good experience on RPA. They are having a training and accreditation program, right? Accreditation program, and also it is a good match for the job description, because they're having administers, orchestrates, and controls the virtual force of the so I think it's a good match for the job description that we have provided. Okay, so this is how we are making the decisions. And in I hope it is clear for you. And in the coming video, I'm going to show you what all I have created here, and how ChatGPT has made a decision about the resume, if it's a proper fit for the job description or not. So do not miss this interesting video, which takes off the burden from the hiring team. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get the video as soon as I upload it. So and also give a thumbs up if you like the video, because that gives me a lot of motivation to come up with the new content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.